this is basically my super simple everyday glowy look, like literally.
I came off from a big X and came home to a big bag. I'm a big boss and you big man. Fuck around and die by my respect. Got blood all on my Christians from all my oppositions. Fuck all my oppositions.
I'm still to a day party, and yeah, I don't have that much time. I don't got that much time. I have an hour. I'm really trying to decide what look I'm doing. I really think I'm gonna do something basic, a nice dramatic wing and my long lashes, and that's it, because I was gonna do an eyeshadow look, but I really don't have time for that. My outfit is like simple, so it's like I don't want to drag it and do like extravagant crazy makeup, and it's like, sis, you doing too much. Like, it's a day party, it's cute, I could do a little pink little lid, but I don't want to. Like, I just really literally, oh, this looks so good on my skin. My skin has been so dry lately, y'all. Any type of extra moisture on my skin is just like the go. Alright, so I got Little Caesars here, you know. I got Little Caesars cheese sticks, cheesy bread, whatever the hell you want to call it. And my marinara sauce. Now wanted me to get ready at her house, but like all I kept thinking about was me coming back home with all my makeup, being drunk, and riding that train. Like, I'm not doing that. So I have like a new foundation routine, and I'll show it to you guys. But I just use concealer to conceal my dark marks, and I put my foundation on top. Oh, I set the foundation first though. I set everything. I set every layer of makeup as I go. So I'm gonna talk to you guys about something, because I definitely forgot to vlog. But I'm doing a BBL, y'all. I'm doing a procedure. And if you don't know what a BBL is, Google it. And I'm just playing. A BBL is basically when you take, it's a fat transfer. So when you take fat from your gut and put in your little butt, you know? So a lot of people are like, why are you doing the procedure? You don't need it. No. I'm going to make a video on like my body, showing you guys how it looked. It's just I haven't gotten to it because honestly I just been really sad about my body. So like for me to get behind the camera and be all confident, it's just like, I do want to show you guys why I'm doing the procedure. I want to show you guys, you know, and you can give your opinion. Doesn't matter if you be like, girl, go to the gym. I'm not gonna really pay you no mind because I already made up my mind. So opinions don't matter or whatever. But at the same time, it's like, if you can help me out with advice, I'll take those. I'm doing a 360 lipo and BBL. And then when I heal up all the way from that procedure, then I will be doing a breast lift. I'll be going back in to do a breast lift. Now, if I go to DR, I can do all these procedures one time for the one time, but I don't trust it. It's like in DR, they can do every procedure if you want to. In New York, they got limits. So I'd rather be restricted with limits and do things separate rather than do everything together for cheap. You know what I mean? Like, that's just me. If anybody wants to go to DR to do their body or any other country, I totally support your decision. But for me, it's just like, one, I don't need to go all the way across I don't need to go out the country to get my body done when it's literally places right here in New York City. I'm doing my procedure in New York, and I decided that because like it just don't make sense to be going anywhere to get my body done. I'd rather just stay right here. So I went to my consult and they calculated my BMI, which I can tell you now, my BMI is a 27 and my weight is 157. Now, like I said, I wanted to come back and make a video for you guys. I'm going to come back and make a video for you guys because I want to do a weight loss transformation video, and it's not because I'm in the process of losing weight. I've lost weight, so I gotta just go dig for pictures of me when I was heavier so I can make the video. You guys can see, like, I can give you guys advice on how I lost weight. Because I was bigger and I was fine. I was, you know, filled in. But I was never meant to be that big. So all the weight loss kind of make everything go. It's like bursting a balloon. Like, you get the shriveled up balloon. Okay, don't drag me. But you get the little shriveled up balloon, and then you put the air in it, it look all, you know. That's really all I need. So I'm not doing the procedure because I'm insecure about, like, oh my god, I got no hips and no nothing. I have a shape, I have a silhouette. It's very beautiful. I love it and I admire it, being that I'm slimmer now. But when it comes to the volume part, like, I'm not filled in anywhere. Like, I'm not filled in my breasts. I'm not filled in my, I mean, my butt is growing actually ever since I've lost weight. I'm gaining weight in my booty, you know, because I'm walking and stuff and keeping my weight up. The volume part, that's not there. So since I missed that, get it. Now a lot of people be like, oh, you can go to the gym, you can do this, you can do that. But if you personally know me, you know that I'm not going to nobody's gym. If you personally know me, you will know that I don't have time to go to nobody's gym. Alright, so let me contour. Oh, I gotta set my smile line. With this new routine, it's just about setting, so your makeup don't move. I cannot stand when I smile. I don't know why, but I really love contouring. Like, I cannot go outside with my makeup done and not contour. Like, it's just something that has to get done. I'm doing a cat liner. Hopefully it comes out perfect. I'm trying really hard not to touch my dress because I'm touching my face and makeup. So I'm in a rush. I have to get out of here. I just want to, like, come back with the finished look. I'm going to finish my lips literally on the bus because, like, I have to go. I don't want to be late. I have to go all the way to Brooklyn. This is basically my super simple everyday glowy look, like, literally. I mean, like, liner is optional. You don't have to do liner, but little lip, pop of gold in the corners, some gold highlight, be on that bling 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 bling. But when I have the finished complete full look, then I will post a picture after this video, of course, and show you guys how it looks. But this is basically the look. And I wet my hair, did some mousse. I'm actually gonna make a video for you guys to show you how I style this hair, because it's super easy to style, and I feel like there's different things that you can do. You don't have to just have it in a side little, you know, side little swoop. You could also do like little buns. You could do like a little braid and everything. So that's basically it. I'm about to head out of here if I'm late. So I'm gonna check out my next video.